such a rewarding hobby for people of all ages. Growing plants at a local community garden can be even more rewarding for beginning gardeners.
It brought us together a lot more. It definitely did.
Do you like having your garden here versus at your home?
Yes, I love that they have all the tools and
Right, it's convenient.
Yeah, very convenient, and it kind of gives us a little getaway from the house. We worked well as a family, I think, and it was just a good experience. Mm-hmm. But yeah, looking up new recipes, healthy recipes for them to try. We've had some corn; they didn't know it was from ours. And also, potatoes, onions, drying those out, letting them finish. It's been a lot of fun,
and it's fun to take what we have grown and turn it into something great.
I think that a lot of people in Beloit don't know that they are welcome to come harvest any of the herbs in this garden, and also the beautiful zinnias in the plot right next to us. Do you grow any of these herbs at home, or do you just come here? Is that easier for you?
I want to start growing some at home, but I just moved into a new place, so it wasn't viable at the time. Mm-hmm. So coming here was a lot better, and it was fun to help maintain it and water it.
Yeah.
It's really nice to come out and get some fresh air. Mm-hmm. And despite there being a lot of mosquitoes and bugs, it's a really calm, and it's just a really nice feeling.
Yeah.
Gardening is a great way to get active outdoors, relieve some stress, and also produce healthy food. Nothing compares to eating homegrown vegetables right from the garden. Post Rock District is fortunate to have several community gardens throughout our district. These plots offer accessible gardening for everyone and a great learning environment. If you have questions about joining a community garden, contact your local Post Rock District Extension office.